So welcome back to the channel, Money Me. We talk about all things money, not just stocks. I know we make a lot of stock videos, but we are working on other videos related to money when it comes to banks, businesses, all kinds of things related to money. So stay tuned, and thank you for being here. If you do me a favor, I am almost at 5,000 subscribers. Like and subscribe. The stock that we want to talk about today is Chewy. Did you guys catch? Now, one day it was up on Friday. No, not Friday. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm recording this on Wednesday. It was up on Tuesday. Yeah, we're closed today for the market. It was up almost 14%, 1385, 2597, and guess what? We're in the stock. So I'm showing you the Yahoo page right here. We're gonna look at some charts, look at what's going on, and see if we got any further gains. We did sell 100 shares, but we still have others. This right now is the best. It's funny because it was up 13.85%. Year to date, it's only up 16.2%. So it has fallen back. We bought it in at 15.45. So we are looking at close to a well, not quite yet, not 100% return, but about 75%, and I think it has further to go. Its 52-week high and low is 40.22. 52-week low is 14.68. It had a good earnings report the other day, just recently, a couple weeks back, and the stock spiked then. Let me pull up the Webull desktop chart here. Webull. Guys, if you are new to Webull, it's free. You can use the I like to look at the charts and see what's going on. And that stock had 29 million shares, huge volume. So as you can see, it broke out here, 66 million shares, and from 1734, and it closed that day, open at 1933, closed at 2150. But we took some off the table at 24.70. That was the sell price that I had in, because honestly it was 21.22, and it was a nice return. And our goal is always to try to get 30% a year. We took off a half position. There were some rumors, I guess, that maybe Roaring Kitty was involved somehow, or he was looking at it. So what's going on with Chewy Stock? It's asking me to log into the account to show the news. Let me look and see at what Yahoo says. Chewy said from revenue was up. Yeah, revenue in April was up 3%. Net income was up 192%. It doesn't have a big profit margin. It was up 2.32%, but it did beat. It beat earnings by share by 59%, and revenues was just a slight beat. So whatever they did is obviously changed the investor's opinion on the stock. So let me see what news articles that I can find. Two growth stocks that could skyrocket in 2024 and beyond, it says. Carnival, it's saying Carnival. Let's see. Oh, Chewy. So Yahoo's got an article here by Motley Fool. Is it Motley Fool? Yeah, Motley Fool writer. Chewy. Yes, Chewy, in case you guys don't know, is an online pet food retailer. I actually did a video. I'll link it down below. I did a video before talking about Chewy. So it took a big hit. Made up some wise decisions. In Canada, I know they just applied for. Yeah, I'll tell you what. It could. Let me look at. I'm trying to see what the next. I mean, actually, I think we're easily going to go to. I think we're easily going to go to. 30, no problem. Yeah. Look at this chart. I like TradingView. The thing is, a lot of these services, they want you to sign up. As with me, you don't have to nothing to sign up. Just click subscribe button, and there's no You don't have to give your email. But yeah, the next 30. I mean, we're 2769. But I mean, we definitely have broken. I mean, this minor gap down here that we've broken that out. So really, there's not much resistance. 2779. It closed at 2728, so 2779 should be easy. But I mean, look, basically, well, when you get in here, some people 30, like I said, and it had gapped up to 34.93. But here, just in last July, the stock was $40.63. Let's go out longer term. Yeah, this was an IPO that came out in 2019, so 5 years ago. But look at that. I mean, that stock was $120 back in February 21st. Yeah, February 9th of 2021. Of course, a lot of stocks, because when COVID was, people were staying at home and ordering at home. But I really think that I think we could have a nice, we're still going to probably get, I mean, it's not a whole lot of choppiness here. But man, if we could just reverse that over here, a couple days up, a couple days down, we really, 40.64. 40.64. And what was the time period? The time period from basically June of last year to the bottom was October. So July, I mean, that was in 4 months. So if we have another good quarter, we easily could get back in. Like I said, I think easily will be soon at 30. And then really, I like the next target of 35. Any news or any if it is true about Roaring Kitty, that comes out and says that, hey, he's in it too, the stock will get to 40 fast, and then obviously that's when I would take. I probably would take profits at 35. I'll be honest, and just might wind up trading it. We're in at 1545, so 3090 is a double. What is the market cap on Chewy? Let me see what we got here. Chewy's market cap. Chewy, it's stock. The market cap right now is 11.32 billion. PE is high. But never, I tell you, that's a mistake I made in the past, worrying about price times earnings on growth stocks, because I did that for many years with Amazon and shorted it, lost money, never really went long with it. But I remember that stock being $5 when the market crashed back in 2000. So statistics, let me see how much the price times PEG ratio is good. Is pretty good. Revenue 11.3. So 11.23 billion is basically the stock is trading at 1 time sales. Is that right? Short ratio, percentage, and there's almost 20% of the stock is short. $1.4 billion cash. So they have close to $600 million in cash. So they have a pretty good cash position, and maybe Chewy has turned the corner. Let me look and see what Chewy news on Chewy anymore in case I missed it. Shares have 3 buy ratings, flexing robust growth. That was 6 days ago, so had a buy rating. Was what you need to know. I don't have my Twitter up on here, but yeah, that's where I saw it. But people could put a lot of false information out. Never trust that. Do your own homework, guys. I highlighted this stock before. This is right now in the past this year so far the best return that I have, and that's what you hope for basically a stock to be up 75%. No, not option trading. It's pretty damn good. So right now, I don't know if I'd put any new money into it. or if you're going to, maybe take a small position, I mean, right now 27 and change to 35 would still be a good return. It closed at 25.97, 26. Yeah, that would still be about a 40% return. So, but realistically, 30.35 is where we, in year to date, now it's only up 9.9% according to this Yahoo data right here. Now, 3 years, it's down 67%, where the S&P is up 30%. So, Chewy's has been a laggard, but I think we have I like it. I like that. Oh, June 18th. Let me see what the options. Man, if you would have had options for this week, you would have done damn good. 6 times the volume at the point. Most active is the June 25 calls. So Chewy's a good stock. It's been good to us. Again, what I'm talking about is trading, not necessarily buy and holding more than 12 months. Opportunities come up, in and out as far as doing that. So we do own it. And check out my video I did on Walgreens on Monday. Walgreens was up. Let me give you a little teaser here. I'm hoping we caught the bottom. Walgreens was up 6.34%. I did it as a value line stock of the week. I subscribed to Value Line. I use that as part of doing my homework, and I read that, and I'm like, we're in it. And I double checked. We're in it at 17.10. I thought we were in it closer to 19. 17.10 is the average that we're in. Made a couple small purchases here and there, a little dollar cost averaging. Latest I read on them is they're talking about spinning off the Boots company over in UK. The Boots that's in the over there, and they're talking $7-8 billion. I mean, even just reducing debt would cut their debt down by 25%. But there's a lot they can do with that money. So guys, do me a favor. Give me a like, comment below, and we're putting out a lot more videos. I'm going to talk about all things money. So subscribe to Money Me. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I will see you again.